Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to make Jinbe from One Piece in Infinite Craft. First of all, combine water plus wind, then water plus wave, after that earth plus water, then plant plus wind, fire plus water, then tsunami plus wind, wind plus wind, earth plus earth, dandelion plus mountain, fire plus steam, hurricane plus plant, mountain dew plus tornado, engine plus mountain dew, palm tea plus water, mountain dew code red and mountain tornado, coconut plus mountain, monkey plus mountain dew code red tornado, earth plus plant, earth plus tree, forest plus forest, monkey D. Luffy plus jungle, earth plus steam, wood plus earth, clay plus plant, fire plus pot, straw hat pirates plus cook, fire plus wind, water plus water, smoke plus water, earth plus wind, lake plus water, dust plus fog, occasion plus water, smoke plus water, acid rain plus fish, mutton fish plus steam, Sanji plus fishman. And there you have it, Jinbe from One Piece, ready to take on any adventure in Infinite Craft. Let me know in the comments who you would like to create next. Thanks for watching.